Alrighty, so it's a centuries-old Brazilian body sculpting technique with a number of benefits for one's health and physical appearance. Kedish Kelly Gordon is a wood therapy specialist, and she now joins me to give me some details on this specific treatment. Hi, Miss Gordon. Miss Sarah, we're cousin. We're cousin?
Yes, we are.
We're cousin. Anybody named God? Pick up yourself, cousin. Now, there are so many treatments out there, health benefits, all kinds of benefits, physically, spiritually, emotionally, but this one is a little bit different, and I don't think I've heard about this one before. Wood therapy?
Yeah, wood therapy.
What is that about?
It's actually the use of wood instruments to break down, sculpt, and drain the lymphatic system of fat deposits. It was actually created by the Colombians. So it's been around for a bit. But
go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead.
I see you have your instruments, your wood instruments there. So this is telling me then that it's non-invasive. It's not anything that requires any kind of surgical, nothing like that. Oh, dear God. You've had an interest in this from a long time ago. Is this something that you picked up over time?
I picked it up over time because I was originally in the medical field, but then I wanted to go into aesthetics. So I decided to leave my job and go full-time into body sculpting. And I started off with eyelashes, and then I moved on to body sculpting and wood therapy.
Does your background in the medical industry help a little bit with what you're doing now?
Yes, it does, because it helps me to identify certain things like the lymphatic system, or even by the touch of the body, I can feel whether or not my client has suffered from any form of fibroids or cysts, or I can feel that on the tummy area. And also, you can see it in even how my client may present themselves. They may come with hormonal imbalances and such, so it helps as well.
Would I need to be screened prior to coming to you? Is there some medical screening that needs to be done in order for me to be able to utilize some of these services that you're offering?
Yes, you would have to. We do not take diabetic patients. We do not. I personally, I don't like to take people who have any form of blood clot issues, heart conditions, such and so
because I'm a medical first.
Yeah, you got it.
I'm bringing the results to you.
You got to. And I don't want anybody to sue me.
True.
Yeah.
Safety is first.
Yes.
All right, so you're coming into a space where I don't think I've heard of anybody else offering wood therapy in Jamaica. Do you know of anyone else?
Yeah. Actually, it is merged with other modalities such as ultrasonic or ultrasound cavation, which is the one that they use on your stomach, and you hear that echo on your stomach. They do it with RF therapy, and they do it as post-op therapy as well. So those people who are doing surgeries, those are also offered wood therapy as a modality to help heal.
So it's not necessarily a type of plastic surgery per se. So I'm not going to get a bigger derriere or perk.
No, we can do that. We do that. We can move the fat from into the thighs, into your buttocks area.
With wood therapy?
Yes.
Lord Jesus, at least I don't think I get up then, man, because a long time I want like a therapy around here, so you know. We are literally just talking about this in the makeup room about as children, when moms have their little babies, especially your daughters and stuff, you kind of start to mold them from they're younger to kind of shape the derriere and the rest of the body and stuff.
Definitely, my nose was the issue.
The nose too?
Yeah, my grandmother put clothespin for my nose.
And
the nose big.
And it worked.
Well, I don't know, but the grandmother normally use our index finger on this and say, no, we have to
straighten your nose.
Yeah, can't.
So now that I'm this age, my nose can't straighten again.
Unless you got surgery, moms. Make them broken nose.
Can I still get the girlies up some more though?
Yes, you can.
Okay, all right, we're gonna do a demo here, but before we get into that, what are the kinds of materials you're using with these woods? I see colorful woods. Are they like real wood?
Yeah, they are actually wood. So the wood therapy goes through our three unique steps. So you have to eat the area, HEAT, then you have to break down the fat, and then you have to drain the area of any excess fluid into the lymphatic system. So all of the tools have a specific
purpose.
Yes.
Right.
So this is used to heat the area. This is called my cob roller.
To heat it?
Yes.
Okay.
This is used to break down the fat after it's been heated, and this is what we use to drain. So this is for the upper abdominal, and this is for the lower abdominal.
Oh dear God. Let me see the one to break down again. To break down? This one is the breakdown one?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. So we're going to do a demo here. Do I need to be trained, certified in order to do this?
I am twice certified. I'm actually twice certified.
That part?
Yes.
Certification here in Jamaica?
No, I did it overseas.
Overseas? All right. It's a big moment. It's a lifestyle. So I see you have oils also.
Yes, I use organic oils on the skin because most people are very allergic to things, especially as they age. And I have a lot of aged.
Older folks.
Yeah.
So Elisa is our model. She's here today, ready to be wood therapized. That's not a word. Leave me alone. But she's going to do the demo for us. So let's take us through this whole process. So you wear your gloves. So we are being clean here. Cleanliness is next to godliness. So we're going through the right processes to ensure that everything is. Can I just roll or no? I will mess her up.
No, yeah.
All right, I'll
can roll after I roll.
Roll after you roll.
Yeah,
Say
roll.
less. Oh, dear God. All right, and talk me through what you're doing as we're going through the steps right now. Elisa, you're nervous. Have you had wood therapy before? No? No? You're nervous?
All right, so I'm putting on my gloves. Yeah, as we know, cleanliness is next to godliness. So you're always... Now, I use oil because oil is necessary when you're putting wood to the skin. You know that if you put it like this without the oil...
Kind of burning.
Yes, it's going to have some...
Chafing or something, right?
Right. So I would oil the area. Firstly, I would... For me, I do a little bit of a massage.
Massage in the oil?
Yeah.
So what you're doing on the belly area now, are you flattening her tummy with this?
No,
technique?
Actually what I'm doing is this is going to break down the fat when I heat up the area.
Right.
So it's not necessarily that I am flattening the area, but what I'm doing is that this helps with even bloating. So you have a problem with bloating even while after your period,
Right.
you might have some bloatings at some areas of your stomach. It helps to drain because it's good for lymphatic movement. So you know your lymphatic system is your sewage system, so it gets all of your waste and toxins out. So that's why.
So this is not a tummy tuck, guys.
No,
I'm
it's
so
not.
sorry. This
It is not.
all right. So we oil the area.
Yeah, and I give her a slight massage.
And how long normally do you take to go through one of these treatments?
45 minutes.
45 minutes. And
Because what I normally start, before I start this, I normally do a sauna.
a sauna.
Yeah, so
What does the heat do?
it helps to push out toxins out of your skin. Also, it helps to awaken your lymphatic system because you need your lymphatic system to be awake for this. Because it's non-invasive, you're working with the lymphatic system. So
I done broke your thing. Dear God Almighty. She go sue me, people. Look here now.
yeah.
Oh, sit here. All right.
It good, man. It good.
It good.
It good.
It good. My mother always said, don't touch people things you can't pay for it. I fix
right.
it though. Okay.
So what we do is that we section the stomach in a way that we move. So whatever we do on one side of the stomach, on the other side of the stomach.
Right.
So we section. We are rolling, but we're not using pressure. We're not applying pressure. What we are applying is a light movement over the stomach area. So we're trying to wake up the system to let it know that we're here and we're going to do some work today.
All right. And then after you wake up, what happens next now?
All right. So what we're going to do is that we are going to begin to break down.
Look, I'll fix it back. I'll fix it back.
So what I do is that I move in this area, side to side, move, push. And while I'm moving the area.
So you're working both with the instrument and your
my
hands as well,
yes.
right? This is me trying to get involved, but I don't want to hurt the lady, so leave me out of it. Come now, make Lisa sue me in here.
Yeah.
How does it feel?
A little pressure.
A little bit of pressure?
Because it's new.
Oh, because you've never had it before, so it's something you've never felt. Cool.
And then we are going to go into draining of the area after we've broken down. So what we do is that we're going to push towards the lymphatic system right in this cavity right here.
Oh, Lord.
And then we let release.
That pop?
Yes, it did.
Ah.
Also, just an indication of whether or not you need a detox is how the oil comes off. If it comes off a little bit dirty, not because you don't bathe, but because your system actually needs a detox. So it's a telltale as well.
Oh, Lord. I know what she do me, because
And
when my oil block, me no know what got. What's this one for?
okay, this is for sculpting. The same thing you can do, but I use it to sculpt the area to give it definition. So what you would see is that you'd almost where it is shaped is giving it definition.
So we're not breaking our bones now,
no.
rib cage.
So you see it goes underneath the rib cage. So.
Where can persons find you and how do they, book a session with you if necessary?
Okay, so I'm on Facebook. I am 876 Wood, my Facebook, Instagram. I'm 876 Wood Therapy Queen _ and you can book me in my, just link in the bio and you can book me there.
All right, 876 Wood Therapy Queen. Flat belly? Well, not necessarily. We're just releasing the toxins, waking up your system, ensure that you get all those bad things out. All right, Kedish Kelly Gordon, wood therapist specialist. More on Weekend Smile right after this break. I mean, did I try, but you know what? That's not